Hi guys, here are some more great Jamaican funny videos. Please enjoy, like, and subscribe to the channel for more.
Yo, TikTok, wagwan. I got another Jamaican joke for you, see? So these 10 madmen was locked up in a mental institution in Jamaica. One morning the doctor arrived and he saw 9 of them with their heads in the cloud, jumping and screaming their heads off. When he'd look, one single man was sitting in a corner by himself quietly. So the doctor walked over to him and he said, "Oh, it seems that you are the only one that has regained any mental sanity." The madman quickly replied to the doctor, "Shh, shh, be quiet no man. You know, see, I'm trying to lay an egg."
And who them did say take with Drake money? Anybody remember?
Vado, me say and Drake walk your thief in money.
This not have nothing to do with no money.
Then I walk.
They know so the man still sit down and chat with people.
It's because you're broke and you ain't got no money to pay.
Me say Drake give money for build library there for buy a book.
I'm gonna try and make it seem like this about money.
But here I was all this time thinking they were Bill Gates when they were not even Bill Fence.
Not even Bill Gates money can buy a life, you know.
Drake, how you say make you my fraud start war?
I think his name is Movado.
Chung, tomato, same thing. But really, what you say?
Addy my daddy, free up world boss.
Watch the balancing of channel. People, they're gonna listen to that voice here and tell me who it sound like to know.
Eh? A ostrich them too? Yeah. All of them are ostrich. Wow! What a sight.
This here boss preacher take the thing to a new level, man. Look like the man an acrobat or something.
What is his name? Jesus. The name of Jesus is strong, almighty power, the righteous running and they are saved. Proverbs 18 verse 8. Worship Jesus.
Me Jesus, what a woman wicked to herself. It look like she never hear Stitch's song. Young girl, wear your size. Young girl, wear your size.
She's a wicked girl. Hey, don't drop it there, running now. Hey, don't drop it.
You know some grown water authority door and it's like them close up. So I did make a call and somebody tell me to pay the bill online. But the thing is, I deal with it. But the thing what puzzle me, I don't know if them get it. So I don't know if I can make a link for me and find out.
Lord, I hope it's only boy pitney that little brother I get.
Yeah, what kind of youth you want that?
I want a boy first and name Ronaldo, my friend.
Joe, what you say?
I don't want a girl still, you know. But the name her body still, you know.
Why?
Because when a man fuck her, he might come back and say, I just fuck body last night, you know.
Yeah, some boy love chat about how much they love girl with blood clot title. You see me? Me not promise no boy no title if he can't swim in blood clot drown. Put on a life jacket or drown.
Go and watch up on that frat tail. You look a fly batty boy, you coming like gal.
And you do, you coming like man. You can turn up and take man lick. I see the couple and rub you up with him button. But if I like him, I make you sit down on it. But I, knowing you, maybe you would have broke it.
Everything in the community last night had to close because of the mosquito invasion.
If you want us to synchronize swimming or dancing, ask the mosquito synchronize dancing. In the sky, come up and go down and dance and come around and go back on. Whole group of them. Me not ask nobody that.
I'm calling on the health department to take immediately the action of spraying.
No, sir. All of this your work just to get little color.
You all look like two fucking soldier crabs.
See if you want to get brown and cool, use cake soap. See me cream them, yeah? See if you want to get white and pink and look like Freddy Krueger, use this, man. This change your color, man. This change your, tear up your face. See idol, yeah? I use the idol and cool it down. Yeah, man. Cool it down, man. It's a known tambourine and gel, man. Boast it. Burn off his skin. Yeah, man. And then I use the cake soap and cool it down back. And scotch bright with some warm water and take off the dead skin. Yeah, man. Clean up your face. Make your face white. So they call you white boy and white girl. So you're white. Wet like shark and wet like Jesus sheet. Clean. Clean like me. And then you use some cake soap with some warm water and rub off the dead flesh them off of your skin.
Or you could change your feelings without discussing it with me first. Or you could tell your husband about us. Sonia, I trusted you.
I'm sorry.
Sonia, cheating has to be based on trust.
I couldn't live the lie any longer. It was killing me.
Sonia, knife kill people. Cutlass, heart attack, stroke, gunshot. Lie no kill nobody.
That's all, folks. See you next time.